Focus. We're back with another video. Let's get straight into it. So I took a trade today that I lost, but I learned a lot from that trade. So I'm just gonna share that with you. I wanna thank you guys for watching the videos. And let's get straight into it. Okay, so which one of these markups did I actually take? Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. Oh, which one is this? Alright, let's go on the 5 minute to show you guys. So this one, I literally watch this trade play out to the T. I marked it up on everything. I did not enter. I don't know why. I just didn't like it. It's a good trade, but I did not like it. I don't know. We were behind. We were below 8:30 open. We were below true day. We're too far from true day to even sell. So I was like, I don't like it. So I was like, let's see. And I played out to the T. Took liquidity and then went up back to liquidity, and I was like, you give me some displacement to the downside, give me an imbalance, trade up to that, reject from it nicely, and I will have my entry. And price did just that. Before I even go into that, let me tell you why I was bearish today. We farmed an SM, was it this? I farmed the SMT on, right? Yeah, we found an SMT up here, so this level was protected, and we just wanted see what price to do. We wanted price to really take this to come back, but they didn't give me that. After I took the trade, I was like, all right, let's just wait until after the lunch. And we're in lunch hour right now, so no trading will be done. I'm just gonna done finish for the day. Can't bother. And let's get right into it. So we have an SMT. I'm going on. I want to show you. We have an SMT, right? Clean SMT, telling me that price does not want to come up here to this level again. So I was like, cool. So jump to the 15. Let's go back to the 5 minute. So before all of this happened, after I started this and I was like, all right, let that play out. I'm gonna wait for. I said that I feel like if I lose it, it's not my fault at all. I feel like I could still blame myself for this trade. That's why I didn't take it. But I marked it up and all of that. All that good stuff. But the trade I eventually took, I lost. And I felt no type of way about this trade after I lost. I just accepted it because if this trade had won, even though my TP was here, I was being modest with this team. A real modest. I wasn't even taking the trade serious because if this is a serious TP, trust me, I'm bringing it way down, because those trades play out. Let's get into this. Let me just delete this real quick. All right, so we saw a price taking liquidity. This isn't running; it swept this, so we know we're coming back same time. Came down, we broke this level of structure right here. So what I call that is my market structure shift, but we didn't just break the structure. What else did we do? We displaced. So aggressive movement while breaking the structure, leaving a clean imbalance. And we also have a breaker right here. So we have a breaker right here. So I was confident in this trade. The stop loss would have been quite small. So I was like, okay, let me just wait and see what this trade brings. So after I rejected this beautiful imbalance right here. This is the imbalance. So it rejected the imbalance, right? And I was like, because I think it was yesterday I took a trade and I was like, wait for good rejections of your favorite gaps before you even enter. Wait for some candle to close. So I waited for this nice candle to close, even though I could have entered up here, and right here would have been like a 1 to 5. Let me see. Because I was watching the market while it was here. So my stop loss would have been right above the entire gap. So right here. And this is 1 to 4. That's quick. That's quick. I would have taken partials by that time. So this wouldn't be a losing trade. But I decided to wait and I did not regret it. I don't regret trades anymore. Or at least if I follow my rules, I won't regret the trade. I entered roughly right here. I waited for the candle to close and it immediately pushed down and I got an entry. My stop loss is here above the entire gap. And I was really being modest with the TP. I just put it here. I entered with three of the smallest positions, so I would just probably close one or close two and leave a runner to go wild. And after the rejection, I was like, I want immediate response. So I want immediate bearish candles. After I got this and these two, I was like, oh, most likely the trade will lose. I could have even closed there and wouldn't get a loss, but I toughed it out, man, and lost the trade. Learned a lot from. Didn't really learn anything from this trade. Patience counts, and keep doing what I do. Just continue on my road, and really and truly, I will be profitable one day. That's really it. As for this trade, let me see if I can break down why I didn't even take it. As you can see, we have a fair value gap here, and we didn't. Well, we respected it here, but I didn't like the fact that this is true day right here, this line, and then this is the 830 open. We're too far from true day, and we're below 830 selling. When I'm below 830, I want to be buying. So that's another reason, even though it handsomely, rejected handsomely, I watched this play out all the way. Well, probably not all the way, but probably like here I went to watch YouTube or something. But I watched this trade. It looked good. As you can see, we swept this right here. Let me see if I can illustrate liquidity curve right here. So we swept all of this, came up here, and it was 8:30. Like, was it here? This was 9:30. So where was 8:30? Oh, this was 8:30. So when above back at 8:30, I was like, okay, that's most likely manipulation, manipulating these, or it was not manipulation, it was accumulation. This would be the manipulation, and that's what I didn't like. I didn't want to see manipulation of sells below 8:30. I wanted that to be manipulation of buys. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna take that. So I marked it up, all of that, set my TP where would I put my TP. Wanted price to go to this liquidity area right here, and I marked it up, and it was an ugly trade, to be honest. This is one of the ugliest trades I've ever seen. I did not like it whatsoever, but it seems that these are the trades that win. But yeah, guys, that's what I took today. This was supposed to happen here. Was it here or was it here? I remember. This was supposed to be some sell that I did not take, and that if I did take it, I would have. It was this right here. This breaker right here was supposed to enter like right here. As you can see, if I did enter this, because I was expecting this area for my stop loss, I would have gotten stopped out. But glad I didn't take that trade because I didn't even like it either. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a subscribe. Please like the video if you enjoy the content. Drop a comment if you want to leave a feedback. And this is Only Focus signing out.